Hey everyone! Let's talk about something that's hiding in plain sight in almost every kitchen: cooking oils. Some are great for you, but others, not so much. Today, I'm breaking down which oils you should probably avoid and why they might be doing more harm than good to your body. First off, what actually makes an oil bad? It mostly comes down to a couple of things: how the oil is processed and what happens to it when you heat it up. Let's start with the big offenders. Vegetable oils like soybean, corn, canola, sunflower, and cottonseed oil. They sound healthy, right? They've got vegetable in the name. But here's the catch. These oils are highly processed and are usually extracted using chemical solvents. That means they're stripped of any natural nutrients and can even contain traces of those solvents. Now, these oils are also really high in omega-6 fatty acids. While your body does need some omega-6, most people get way too much of it. When omega-6 levels get too high compared to omega-3s, it can trigger inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to issues like heart disease, diabetes, even some cancers. Not exactly what you want from your salad dressing or stir fry. But there's more. These oils have a low smoking point, which means when you heat them, they start to break down and form harmful compounds, like aldehydes and trans fats. These nasties can damage your cells, mess with your cholesterol, and age your body faster from the inside out. So, what can you do about it? Here's the solution. Swap out those ultra-processed vegetable oils for healthier options. Think extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. And for high heat cooking, even a little butter or ghee can be much better choices. These oils are less processed, stable at higher temperatures, and packed with healthy fats that support your body instead of hurting it. Look, I know it's easy to reach for whatever's cheapest or most familiar in the grocery store, but trust me, your body will thank you for thinking twice about your cooking oils. Check your labels, make the swap, and see how you feel after a few weeks. Your heart, your skin, and your energy levels might just surprise you. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what oil you're switching to. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself, one meal at a time.